Hello friends,
I'm Jude.
and I'm Dunya.
For this Lord.
Come join us today because we're going to have so much fun together.
Yeah.
Yes. So first, are we going to continue exploring a letter from this book?
Yeah.
Yes. So, what's our book? Eating the alphabet,
Yeah.
fruits and vegetables from A to Z. What letters did we cover, Jude, so far?
We covered not 7.
A,
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, C,
L, M, N, O,
T,
P.
P, Q, R, S, T,
T.
T,
And today,
and today,
U, V, and W.
U, V, and W.
Are we going to explore these letters today?
Yeah.
Oh, there's some that I haven't seen before. How about you? Do you know anything that's on these pages, Jude?
Yeah.
What do you know?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. That's a big watermelon, right?
No,
and
but
are we
this-
going
this
today?
one.
Yes, and are we going today to talk about watermelon and do some activities with watermelon? Yes, so stay tuned for that. Let's see, letter U, what do we have? We have ugly fruit.
Any fruit?
Yes, and I read that this fruit originated from Jamaica. And it is a mix between tangerine and grapefruit. So when we read more, we explore more, right? That's for letter U. So letter V, I have a vegetable marrow. It looks like a squash, and actually it's from the family of squash. And it grows like squash on vines. And that's a vegetable. How about letter W? We have watercress. Watercress is kind of plants that we can eat the leaves and the stems of it. And then
A watermelon.
watermelon. Do you like eating watermelon?
Yes.
Why is it called watermelon?
Melon?
Because it has 92% of water.
Water.
So if we are feeling thirsty,
Yeah.
it's gonna hydrate us. And that's why in summer there's a lot of watermelons and they are like refreshers to us, right? Yes. So where do watermelon grow, Jude?
I don't know.
Do you think they grow on the tree?
No.
No, they're too heavy to grow on a tree, right?
It's too heavy. It's too big.
Yes, and also because their size, but there's different sizes, they're too big.
Yeah.
So what?
And the small size
And
is
there
too
is
small.
many watermelons.
Too small.
Yes. So watermelons grow on vines,
Yeah.
like cucumbers and like peas, and squash also. And let's see. Is watermelon a fruit or a vegetable?
A vegetable.
A vegetable. You're right, but it's not only considered a vegetable, it's also considered a fruit. Why is that? It's a fruit because it has a sweet taste and it grows from seeds. So how do we grow the watermelon? We plant the seed, then the seed sprouts, then it becomes small plant, and then we have the vine, flowers, and the watermelon comes from the flowers. So that's why it's fruit. And why is it also a vegetable? Because it's a family member of the cucumber, squash, and the pumpkin. And these are vegetables, right? How about the sizes of watermelon?
Big.
Big, small, right? Big and small. Let's put this book on the side and I will show you. I have a watermelon here and let's see. Ugh, it's so heavy. That's a very big watermelon. Yes. And is it oblong? Some of them are really round in shape. Not all of them are oblong. And how about the colors of the watermelon from inside?
White.
There is white, and there is yellow, and there is orange, and there is pink and red.
Yeah.
Yes, so there's so many kinds. We did cut our watermelon, and does it have seeds inside? Yes, some watermelons doesn't have seeds inside. They are called seedless watermelon. And you see the peel color is green, and then we have the rind here, it's white.
Red.
And the flesh is red or pinkish, depends. That's right. And do you know that all this is edible? Even this white rind is edible and it's really good for our bodies, but because not everyone like their tastes, but let's say in China, they stir fry them, they cook them, they pickle them, and they are really nutritious. Jude, why is watermelon good for our bodies? It keeps us hydrated. It has vitamin A, which is good for our eyesight. It's loaded with vitamin B6, which gives us brain power. And also it has potassium, which is good for our heart health, and also it cleans the toxins out through the kidneys from our body. Let's put our watermelon on the side, and then let's draw and color our watermelon. So it grows on vines.
Yeah.
Let's draw it here. Shall we draw just a slice?
Yes.
Okay.
That's a
A
slice.
big slice.
Whoa, a big slice.
Now, are you going to color it?
Yes, I
Get
see.
your colors.
Okay. This one? Black?
You want black to make seeds. Okay,
I want black.
make seeds.
Slushies.
So here is our watermelon on the vine. What are we going to do now with the watermelon? Are we going to make slushies?
Yeah, the train.
And a choo-choo train? Okay. For our slushie, we need a watermelon, and then we need a straw. Try to use compostable straw or reusable straw. We need Ziploc bags, and what do else? We need a marker,
Yeah.
and also you can add lemonade.
Yeah.
True? Okay. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. So friends, what do we need? We need the watermelon, and Jude is going to cut it into different shapes. We need a lemonade, and we need the Ziploc bags. I am going to use the marker to draw some seeds on it.
Here. Here. Sure.
Did you cut some shapes?
Yes. Here. Oh, that's a bit. I did cut it.
So I have here some
that.
seeds.
But I cut already. I didn't.
Okay, let's cut. They are going really to enjoy this one, but it's gonna be really messy.
Is it really messy?
Yes, can you have your knife, please?
Here. What are you doing? Is
We're
this
gonna
mine?
take some watermelon. You can take the seeds out.
Yeah. Is this mine?
Yeah. Just fill the bag.
That's it?
You think?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's start with a small amount
With this one?
and squash.
Squash.
Yes, stronger. So mainly that's it. They're gonna fill the bag and start squishing the bag. Ooh, can you see the watermelon juice now?
Yeah. It's not all
After
squished.
they squish them,
It's not all squished. Oh no.
so after they squish them with their little fingers, you can put them for 2 to 4 hours in the freezer, where you can have them as a really frozen retreat, or as we are going to do, we're gonna drink them right away. Shall we add some more watermelon inside?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I have more water? I want to put more. Squish, squish.
Yeah. Wait. Don't close it yet. Okay, yeah. So squish.
I squished already. No more squishing. That's it. It's already squished. Squish, squish, squish. Squish it. Yes. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it.
As you can see here,
We need more.
this is already squashed. That's optional, but for some more flavor, we are going to add some lemonade.
Yeah.
You can sieve them also to make sure there's no seeds inside. And let's put this through.
Can I drink it?
And enjoy! We have some chunks also. Is it refreshing and yummy? Yeah, what are we going to tell our friends?
Goodbye.
That's it for today. Goodbye. Send us pictures. And if you want to see how to make a fruit pizza from watermelon, watch the attached video for cooking with kids. See you soon. Bye.